Welcome to Microsoft Access, the powerful desktop database application. My name is Ben Beatler and I'll be guiding you through the process of understanding, designing and implementing an Access database along with some useful tips and techniques. I have been a database developer and consultant with over 25 years of experience implementing many different systems, including CRM management systems, transaction systems and general bespoke applications, including using the high-end level of VBA programming. I have also successfully run several businesses, including IT training company, business consultancy and development, where Microsoft software being the hub of applications used, ranging from small to large companies, including the likes of Ford, Toyota and HSBC. This course starts at the very beginning, taking you through the introduction of Microsoft Access, covering the concepts of building a database with a plan, cover Access terminology, and then working on and developing the first main feature known as Access tables. In Section 2, we cover what are and why we need Access queries, asking questions of the data and driving your database, being the heart of any database application. This will also include many different types of queries using various methods and techniques. Then, in Section 3, we start to work on the front end of the database, introducing you to Access forms. We will discover the techniques of creating a good-looking and polished interface to manage your database, making it a more user-friendly experience for general users. This follows on with the other front-end object called Access Reports. Creating reports will complete the output options you will need to print and publish your data using this powerful built-in set of tools. In this section, we cover the topic of relational database management systems, RDBMS for short, adding the power to how data can be connected together and provide powerful data processing and further enhanced reporting. In Section 6, we will introduce you to and cover the basics of Access macros and where it fits within an Access database, providing some automation, adding the bells and whistles to the application. In the final section, we will then introduce you to the Visual Basic for Application, or better known as VBA programming, to fully automate an Access database, completing the one-stop powerful desktop application. By the end of the course, you'll be confident in your new skills, using Microsoft Access by mastering this powerful desktop application. You will learn the effectiveness of how Access processes your data with a controlled and measured approach, identify plenty of good techniques, tips, and apply best practices to a database, and finally having all the tools here in one place for your business and data processing needs, mimicking those real-world processes. There are a couple of prerequisites to completing this course. Having some familiarity with other Microsoft desktop applications, like Excel or Word, will be an advantage but not essential. Microsoft Access follows a very similar look and feel and even uses the same VBA programming language as with other Office applications. You only need to install a full working version of the latest Microsoft Access application, though all the concepts and most of the functionality covered in this course can be applied to earlier versions of Microsoft Access. So, let's get started.